AOPS number theory problem 1.16. Lucius, Sarah, Brandon, and Scott take algebra together. On their first exam, Lucius got a 94, Sarah got a 91, Brandon got a 95, and Scott's score was between 81 and 87 inclusive. If the average of all four of their scores is an integer, what was Scott's score on the first exam? So let Scott's score be 81 plus n, where n is an integer between 0 and 6 inclusive. The average of all four of their scores would be 94 plus 91 plus 95 plus 81 plus n divided by 4, which is equal to 361 plus n divided by 4, which is 90 plus 1 plus n over 4. So since it's the four scores, the average is an integer, that means 90 plus 1 plus n over 4 is an integer. And since 90 is already an integer, that means 1 plus n over 4 is also an integer. And since n is in between 0 and 6, that means n plus 1 is equal to 4, because that's the only thing that would make 1 plus n over 4 an integer. So n is equal to 3. So Scott's score is 81 plus 3, which is 84. Find number theory 1.17. Find all the perfect cubes between 1000 and 2000. So we know that 1000 is equal to 10 to the power of 3. So we're just gonna list all of them. So 10 cubed is equal to 1000, and 11 cubed is equal to 1331, 12 cubed is equal to 1728, and 13 cubed is equal to 2197. And since it says between 1000 and 200, then the only ones that would work would be 11 cubed and 12 cubed. So the two perfect cubes between 1000 and 2000 are 1331 and 1728.